my god, why is it doing this right now? Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, you should check out all my socials linked below. I have to admit, I was going to do the vacation house tour today, but I'm going to do it in a couple days when I was going to film this and upload this because I was all over the place and accidentally filmed this. So don't worry, we'll be doing the vacation house tour. It will just be uploaded when I was supposed to upload this. But anyways, today I'll be showing you my summer house tour. I haven't changed my house in literally ages, so here it is. So here's the porch. I love it. It's very different from my last porch, but the flowers in the mailbox and everything all together is just super cute, and yeah. Then over here we just have a lamp, and then we move on to the laundry room. So my laundry room is very different from my last laundry room, but I love how simple it is, and honestly it's adorable and I love it. So this hallway area is also a little bit different. We have my dog. I believe this one's name is Buddy. I forgot the names of my dogs, but I love it. And then the other one is also like this simple but cute style, and I love this one as well. My kitchen is so different from my last kitchen. The island has a pop of color and I just love the style of it. There is some things from my last kitchen, but overall it is a very different and summery kitchen. Then moving on to the table that's in here, there's also like the palm tree light in here, and I just love the style of it. I think it's very cute, as you can tell, and I just think that it's very summery. Then over here we have my island where you can make popcorn and stuff. I did take away the waffle area, but I think it's super cute. Then my bathroom didn't change too much, but there is some visible differences. So comment down below like 2 differences you see from my last bathroom tour. But anyways, it's cute. And then we have my room. My room definitely got some upgrades. There's a lot more white and colors like purple and pink and red. I feel like it's very summery and it definitely needed an upgrade, so it's amazing. Over here on the outside patio area, there's like a kids play area, and then there's a butterfly net. Overall, it's a very cute area and I think it's perfect. And then we have the pool, which actually has some floaties. And then we have this area with the grill and the chairs and the table, which I think is super cute. And then we also have a butterfly. Okay, we're gonna move on to this inside hallway area. There's some plants in a basket and a jelly fish lamp. I think it's cute. Sorry, voice crack there. But then we have this barnacle plant and a plant on the wall. Here is the study. It is my favorite area in the whole house. I love how simple it is. It's adorable, and oh my god, it's my favorite room. I'm so glad I came up with this idea. Not the steady idea, that goes to It's Toca Alice, but changing it up. And that's my dog. Then over here we have my living room area with the purple couch and the simple table and the TV. It's adorable. I love it. Then we have Ryland's room. His room is much cuter than it was. His room did go through a bunch of changes, but now he has a video game set up, a dresser, and he also has this cute dog, which I believe I show a minute in the clip. Yep, right there. And the bed has pillows and stuff. It's adorable. Here is Ren's room. She has this adorable chicken picture. It's always been in her room. The style is pretty similar to Ren's room, but she does have this dog, and I did change up some things to make the room a little bit more summery and update everything. So then lastly we have Oakley's room, which, not gonna lie, it does look a little chaotic. Oops. Well, we have Chanel, and actually It's Toca Alice named the dog, so flex. Not really, but it's cute. Alrighty, this video is all over the place. I'm sorry. I woke up at noon today, and I always wake up around 10. So my mind's a little boggled, but shout goes the person on the screen. Anyway, I'm not trying to brag about my house. I just wanted to show you guys. Comment down below palm tree emoji if you watched to this part. Remember to take it easy on yourself sometimes. I love you. Bye, Tocas.